Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make Google Chrome your default browser. So just select these three dots here and go to the settings tab. Oh, here it is. Okay. Sorry, my eyes aren't the best. Anyways, you're going to select default browser here and you're going to select make default. And it's going to essentially open up like default apps. So currently this is like my default browser. So you're just going to select set default for your Google Chrome, and that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!